but it doesn't feel like anything's in there. Like, hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we have the November 2020 Ipsy Plus, which is $25 a month. And we also have inside here the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $12 a month. Now, I do receive this in PR, so I did get it really early. Last month, I got it early as well. So if you want to see what's in here and what you can get in November 2020 Ipsy Plus and Ipsy Glam Bag, and also, oh my God, Ipsy Boxycharm. I am like in shock. So if you want to hear all my thoughts, what I think about it, do you think it'll be a little bit better? Then keep on watching. All right, so everything always comes together, the Ipsy Plus and the Ipsy Glam Bag. So when you open her up, it says discover yourself. And then that's what she looks like. All right, so I'm going to show you what I got in the Ipsy Glam Bag, and then the Plus, and then we'll talk about the scoop with the Ipsy and Boxycharm situation. All right, so this is what the bag looks like for November. This is the $12 bag. My thoughts of it, I mean, it's all right, you know. It's not my favorite, but it's all right. And then right here has Ipsy. Yeah, right here has Ipsy. All right. So because I do receive this in PR, there's not an app or anything that I could look up to see, like, you know, about everything. All right. So for the month of November, the theme is Be Present. And that reminds me, November. Today's the 2nd when I'm filming it. Hopefully I can get it up and edit it tonight. But if you have not already, please, please vote. It is extremely important. I don't care if you're Republican, if you're Democrat, if you're neither or, but just make sure that you go out and vote. This 2020 election is one of the most important elections so far in my life. So, if you haven't already, make sure you vote because every vote counts. All right, enough of that. So that's what it looks like. And then on here just says, beautiful things come in little packages too, like your Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. So dive in and discover amazing new products to inspire your beauty looks. And that's what it be. All right. So there's a little sneak peek. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to pull out, this is from Sugar Rush from Tarte. So this is a sister company to Tarte. We have this right there. What you be? This is in the shade Fresh Pressed. This is Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. I love lip oils, especially, I live in New Jersey, so it's cold. Like today, it's so windy. And my lips always get chapped. Oh, this is really pretty packaging. I wasn't expecting that. That's really, really pretty. All right. So I really, really like lip oils. And it is like a bigger size doe foot applicator, which I don't mind. I would put it on my lips, but I don't want to get it, oh, that smells delicious. I don't want to get the lipstick on here, but it's a lip oil. Love that so much. Okay. The next thing we got is from Tatcha. This is the Deep Cleanser. Now, this was in what I have my own account, and this was one of my choice items I did pick, and I thought this was going to be small because of Tatcha, you know, but it's actually a decent size sample. All right, I'm definitely excited to use that. Let me open her up and see if it has a scent. Oh, it does have a safety seal, so I'm not going to break the seal yet. But it doesn't feel like anything's in there. Like, all jokes aside, like, I don't even know if anything's in there. I mean, I don't even hear anything. But, all right, so moving on. All right, so the next thing we have is from Anastasia. This is a lip gloss in the shade Moon Jelly. I wear lip gloss every day too. Like I always wear like a matte lipstick and then I go over it with like a lip gloss. Oh, that's gorgeous. So this is like has some sparkle. It's clear with some sparkle. I don't know if it'll show up. Yeah, no. It has like pinkish purple sparkle. I don't think you're going to be able to see anything. Ew. Okay. So far, it's a pretty good bag. All right. The next thing we got is from Glow Recipe. This is the Banana Souffle. I'm not sure how to say that. This is a moisture cream. I love Glow Recipe. Okay. Let's see. All right. So it's filled up to the top. And it doesn't smell like banana. I was hoping maybe, oh, this is like a thicker cream too, which I like. I was hoping it would smell like banana. I'm one of those ones, like I like the watermelon, mango, all those types of scents. So it's yellow and it's all right. It's pretty thick. Like it, like it, like it. All right. And last but not least is an Ico Rock Out. What does it say? And Lash Out. So this is a black mascara. We've gotten this so many times, so you guys know what that is. All right, so let's recap everything that I got in the Ipsy Glam Bag for $12. So we have the Ico mascara. Then we have from Glow Recipe, the Banana Moisture. We have the Tatcha Cleanser. We have the Anastasia lip gloss. It's very, very pretty, like really pretty. It will go with this eye look, definitely. And then we have the lip oil. So let me know down below, what did you think? What did you think of these products for November? Let me know. And let me know what you thought of the bag for $12. All right. Here is something outside the bag. So this is the Ipsy Plus. So you do get a bag as well. And this subscription is $25 a month. Now, this bag is definitely different. This is very thin. I do not like it. I'm going to be very, very honest with you. It's extremely thin. Thinner than usually what they are. So, I don't know. All right. The first thing is this brush here. And I love getting brushes. So, this is from MOTD. This is the Perfect 10 brush. Oh, this is nice, actually. Like, I would probably use this for my bronzer or blush. That's a nice brush. All right, I like that. All right, the next thing we got are these Fair Eye brushes. Now, I've gotten this plenty of times before, so I'm not going to open this up. I'll probably put this in a future giveaway because I have so many of these that I know I won't use it, and I'd rather give it to somebody that would use it. Seems like there's more than 5 products. How many did we get in the Ipsy Glam Bag? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So it looks like I got 6 products. So I'm not sure if I got an extra product or not. All right, the next thing is from Kate Somerville. This is definitely an expensive brand. This is the Goat Milk Condition and Restore right here. So with the Ipsy Plus, you get 5 full-size items. And that's what it looks like. And let's see. Yeah, it's definitely filled to the top. Goat milk is really good for you. It's very thin. Like this is, I don't know if you can see. It's so thin that, see how it just pours out? So I like this for, you know, I suffer from skin problems here. So I do enjoy goat milk. Doesn't really have a smell to it, but all right. All right, the next thing I received is from Farrah. So here are 3 different lipsticks. These are the Farrah Matte Boss Liquid Lip Pigments right there. Ooh. Now I got lotion, I can't open this. Let's see. All right, so you have 3 shades here. They look pretty similar. So one is in Tiffany, Farrah, and Cocoa. So let's see. I love these shades, especially in the winter. Yes, definitely up my alley. Okay, so here is the first shade. This is in Cocoa. So I'm going to swatch them. Let me get this lotion off my hand. Okay. Do you know my hands feel really good after this? So that's good. All right. Just a doe foot app. Ooh, that's gorgeous. And Opeg. That is gorgeous. All right, I'll definitely, I'm not even going to put it back in the box, I'll definitely use it. All right, so this shade is called Farrah. And this is like a red shade. Wow, I can't get over how opaque these are. Very, very pretty. And last but not least, we have Tiffany. This is probably my favorite shade here. Right there. This is like a mauve color. You God, that's beautiful. Right here. And like if this is too dark, you can, you know, put this on first and go over top. If you don't like red, you can kind of mix them to make your own custom shades. That's what I do. A lot of people always ask me what's on my lips, and I'm always doing like a lip liner, a lipstick, a lip gloss. Like I'm always custom, you know, making my shades. So I enjoy. I'm so glad that you get 3 lipsticks. All right, what else you got? What else? All right, so this is from Tristique right here. What are you? This is a mascara and a lash curler. I got this. This is in black, the shade black. I got this a long, long time ago, and I never used it. I'm going to show you why. Okay, so that's what the packaging looks like. But this right here, it's for you to, you know, curl your lips, but it's very small and you would have to do it a few times, and it scares me. But I think it's a great idea. I'm going to put this in a future giveaway as well because I know I won't use it. And then this has the mascara, so I don't want to open it up. I'm going to put it right back in the box, but I do think it's a pretty good idea. It's like a 2-in-1. I'm just scared of it. You know, let me know if you have tried this and what you think of it. And last but not least, we have from Violet Boss. So this is, what is this? I think an eyeshadow palette. That's what she looks like. So it's like a mini. Ew, and you get a nice mirror. And these colors are gorgeous. Let me show you the colors. Yes. All right, let's do some swatches. So there are 5 mattes and 1 shimmer shade. I'm not swatching this because that'll just go into my skin color. So you won't be able to see that anyway. And that's just going in one time. That is gorgeous. All right, let's do the shimmer shade. There's only 1 shimmer shade. And there we go. Yeah, typical formula. It's like a pinkish color. I don't know how well you're going to see it with these lights. All right, so I think I got 6 products. You usually get 5, so I don't know if they gave me an extra thing by mistake or what happened, but let me show you again what I did receive. So I got the palette, which I think I'm most excited about this. Then the lipsticks, like they are just gorgeous, so pigmented, which I love. We have a brush here. We have the Kate Somerville, the goat milk, which I'm really excited for. Really made my hands nice and soft. Let's see. And then we got these eye brushes from Farrah. Yeah, so that's everything that I got in the Ipsy Plus for the month of November 2020. Let me know what you thought of the Ipsy Plus. I think it was really good this month. I definitely do. Like I said, I don't know if everybody's getting 6 products or they just made a mistake and sent me an extra product. I'm not sure. Or did they just send me an extra product to show you what it would look like, you know? This is only the 2nd month that I am on PR, so I don't know exactly yet how they are doing things. All right, so now if you got to this part, let's talk about my thoughts on Ipsy buying Boxycharm. I am like shocked. I'm just as shocked as you guys. So what I take from it when I was watching Yosef, when he did his video on Instagram, was that he is still going to be president. It's still going to be 2 separate boxes. It's just all going to be connected into one company. So Ipsy will still have their own box. Boxycharm will be separate. You know, he will still be the CEO and in charge of Boxycharm. And I guess they just combined together. I was reading articles where they think coming together, they can make almost $1 billion a year. So business-wise, I think it's smart, you know, but I do like the fact that they're still going to be separate. So hopefully nothing changes. You know, we will see in due time. I think it's not supposed to really take effect until like 18 months or something like that. I'm not sure all the details. So if you know, let me know down below. But yeah, that's my thoughts. I really don't have any thoughts. I'm in shock, and we will soon know, you know, once the boxes come out, what's going on. But I want to know what your thoughts are. What do you think about it? Do you think it's going to change? Do you not? Let me know all the tea down below. All right, guys, that is everything. I know this video is getting long. I want to hurry up and get this up for you guys so you can see some of the products that you may get for November. And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.